Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and export Gumroad sales data from your store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into our account. In the upper right corner, you're going to see the login option. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started setting up our store if you have not already and accessing all the sections we need right here on the left side of the screen, such as the product section, collaborators, and so on, from where we can get started managing our store. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how to export our sales data that we want to use in Excel or some other analytics. As you can see right here to the left side of the screen, you're going to see the sales tab. But once you open up the sales section, this is going to enable you to manage all of your sales in one place. And every time a new customer purchases a product from your Gumroad, their email address and other details are going to be added here. So to export all your sales info that you have right here, if you have sales info, if you have sold something, is going to appear right here, and you can just use the export button right here in the upper right corner. By clicking the export button, it's going to enable you to download a CSV file with each purchase from the date you're going to select right here, last 30 days, quarter, whatever you want. Once you're satisfied, click done and download, and this is going to enable you to export that data and save it to your PC, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.